If you can draw a heart, you can paint an autumn leaf. At the top, draw a curved line, then add 2 diagonal lines on each side. Paint the leaf yellow. While the paper is still wet, add some orange and green and let the colors softly blend together. Using light brown, paint the central vein and add smaller veins on both sides, connecting them to the center. Once everything is completely dry, use a black fine liner to add a few light lines along the central vein and the stem. Use short, broken lines to loosely outline the edges of the leaf, like this. Add a few light lines to the smaller veins and some tiny dots on the leaf. With a white acrylic marker, lightly highlight some of the veins and add a few white dots. Done! You've painted a bright autumn leaf.